Sapien is backed by a really strong team in crypto and AI. They were looking to decentralize data labeling tasks, and that's where YGG comes in because we already have a big base of players, quote-unquote, or human liquidity is the term. I think Sapien recognizes that in order for a decentralized project to be successful, you need to have a ready base of decentralized community members that are willing to contribute. Where we come in there is we already have that base available for them. We have community members that are willing to try out new games, new tasks, right? They're really curious in that way, and Sapien comes in to provide that to kind of entertain our community, and in the process, they get to learn more about AI, data labeling, and all of these tasks for the future of work.
Sapien is a two-sided marketplace for data labeling. So AI requires a lot of good quality data, training data. And to get that, humans are very important. AI data is just like oil. It starts out as raw material, raw data. That's just like any data on the internet. And then you have to structure and refine that data, just like a refinery for oil, before you can put it in a training model to make it useful. So Sapien helps with that second step, like the oil refiner. We help structure data. It's like Uber. On the demand side, it's enterprise customers, and on the supply side, it's like the Uber drivers, but in our case, it's the data labelers. And we're trying to make it like kind of Axie Infinity, so anyone can just log in and help actually produce real high quality training data that people around the world are paying for, enterprises, but it's also fun for you.
It's called Sapien. It's an AI bounties on a gap quest, and it's about collecting data through pictures here. Gap quest is about playing, enjoying games, and exploring games, other games, and then they will reward you with incentives, and that's it. You play and you're learning at the same time and earning. Here we pinpoint the most visible item, then place the proper data. This is the most visible one, the upper body. When we select it, submit, then we select the color. We can also select using this manually or put it here. Then the selected color will be transferred to the data of the AI. It's like a survey but online. Then next, then what is he wearing? Something like this, a shirt. So here, shirt. It's a casual one. And submit it, and then we earn the points here. If you submit the correct answers, this multiplier will go up. So the points will go up too.
If you do it continuously without a break, you can finish it, I think, less than an hour. But it's because of the multiplier. So if you do it fast, this one will go up.
Sapien has a data labeling platform, and the data set they have available right now are for fashion labeling. So they give you a photo, and they tell you to tag what the person on the photo is wearing, what color it is, what kind of clothing it is, right? And so that's really the task involved, and you just need to tag it in that way and label the data available that way.
That's a trick. You have to look for the leftmost person. So this one is the left, not the leftmost. This is the one. So it's the clothes is not visible. So no clothing visible. You have to be accurate on the who's the person. You have to check what's the clothes he or she is on.
This apps here helps me focus and improve my concentration through looking things, then selecting things that is right. It's very important because it will help us enhance more, revolutionize the upgrades. You can see the future is within us already, so we should not put those wrong data. As you can see, these data that AI collecting will help us. It can be help to mankind in the future.
It's important for humans to tag properly so that the AI learns from what we're tagging. And then that's where Sapien comes in to kind of build an AI model or sell that kind of data to anyone else who wants to build an AI model specific to what data sets we have labeled already.
Something in this quest catch my eye. They said that you can be hired after if you've done a good job answering accurately.
We're just trying to help speed the world towards AGI, because we believe at Sapien that this is going to solve a lot of the world's problems. It's going to be the biggest change to society ever. And so we want to speed that up and make it more accessible and more democratized. And secondly, a more practical solution is we're trying to make it so anyone can earn a living, no matter where you are, no matter what skills you have. And that's really exciting.
What's great about Sapien is that they give opportunities to people with specific knowledge in niche topics to put that to good use, right? So for example, you know how to look at watches. In one look, you know what kind of model it is, what brand it is, right? So that knowledge isn't something that gets you paid to do, right, most of the time. So with Sapien, they can open up a lot of these certain categories that you specialize in. If you can determine what a certain thing is on the photo immediately and tag it properly, you get rewarded. It makes data collection better and you're able to train a model in the process.
We're actually not being disrupted by AI. AI needs us as humans, and us humans are the unsung heroes of why these AIs are so powerful.